Hello, welcome to Getting Started with the Modeling Tool. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Cincom Smalltalk Product Manager. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, you can reach me at athomas@cincom.com. So the modeling tool is a tool unique to ObjectStudio. It lets you develop along with domain expert business analysts. So let's take a look. System load application will give me this. I can choose modeling tool and I can load the modeling tool into the system. From there I can go tools, modeling tool, which will open this up. I'm going to create a new model. If I'm going back to work on an existing model, I would choose this and find it and open it up. So here's my Design Explorer. I'm going to create a person model. Press Enter. Right-click, new submodel. I'm going to have a submodel of person called customer. So it's going to be a customer model. Then I can right-click on this and open it. Now I've got an object diagram. From here I can go to my properties and I can select what style my group is using. I'm going to stay with UML 1.0. This is the pointer which I'll use frequently. This allows me to add text. This allows me to add classes. So let's add a couple classes. Go back to pointer. Go into here. I can go here and put in lots of information. Or I can just come and select here and put in person, put in customer, and set them up like so. Now if I want to add attributes, I can go right here. Let me add 2 attributes to this, 1 to this, go back to pointer, go to my attribute, let's see, ID, colon, integer, and if I double click this you can also see I have the choices right here and I can type in more information for a description and documentation. Let's add name, which we'll have as a string, and a customer will have customer ID, which can also be an integer. Now if I want to set up the relationship between these, I can click on this, click on my superclass to my subclass, and I've got that set. Back to pointer. Let's add another class. Double click, back to pointer. We'll call this order. Let's add an attribute. Back to pointer. Order ID. Integer. Okay. Now, let's choose this and set the relationship between customer and order. If I, back to pointer, double click on this, I can say a customer has 0 or more orders and an order has 1 customer. Apply and OK, and that cardinality is now set properly. Let's go to a browser. Package. I want to put these in a new package called Domain Models. I come back to Tools, Synchronize Implementation, More. It says, where do you want to put these? Well, let's put those in Domain Models. Press OK. Ask me which classes do I want to synchronize, and we'll go ahead and synchronize those. We get a warning here because they don't exist yet. And now, if we go to our domain models, we can see, in fact, we've created a person, customer, and order class, and they also have appropriate information or methods for keeping the proper cardinality between a customer and an order, and the basics set up as we've defined them in the object diagram. You can also see the methods that were created were generated by the system for us. Now, one of the nice things with this, we can synchronize from work we do here to this code, and we can also add methods and do work in these methods and sync it back to this. So you can work at both ends in the diagrammer and also directly in the browser to work at both sides and sync them. Another thing we can do here is right-click and fit all, which straightens things out a little bit. Let's move these apart a little better. And tries to keep those relationships intact. You can massage that till you get the layout that you prefer. So that is a quick introduction to the modeling tool, how to load it, get started, generate classes and code, and work with it. Until next time, have a great time with Smalltalk. Thank you.